Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, yeah, I have it here. The elusive, the exclusive, limited edition 500 million PlayStation 4 Pro. Yeah, 2 terabyte, 4K HDR, all that stuff. And yeah, back in sometime in August 2018, PlayStation came out and announced that to celebrate that they had sold over 500 million PlayStations from the console's first existence, from the PlayStation 1 all the way up until now. And they were only releasing 50,000 units worldwide. And each one has a serial number on it, like etched in gold. So yeah, I have it right here. I actually have 2. Yeah, anyways. So here it is right here, sealed, still has the plastic on it. It wasn't available in any stores. It was only available online, and it was nuts. I know some people who weren't able to get it, and yeah, it was extremely difficult to get. And yeah, I have a couple here. So yeah. Oh, and I also have the headset as well. 500 million limited edition gold wireless headset. But yeah, we'll unbox that too. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it, so I'm gonna stop talking and let's turn the camera and get into it. All right, guys. The reason why I have 2 of these is because I also have a couple of Xboxes. Usually I put one downstairs and one upstairs because I hate taking one console from upstairs and moving it downstairs and upstairs, downstairs, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I have 2 here and we will unbox one of these. It's also kind of cool too. I'll show the box, you guys, but it comes in a box designed just for the PS4 Pro. It's not like it's a generic box that you would just put this in and then put some packaging stuff around it. That way it doesn't move. They actually have a box designed just for this. The first thing I want to point out is, although this is a box, it's not cardboard. This is like a plastic type of a feel here, and it's translucent. You can see through it there. You know, that's the logo inside. It says Sony 4K 2 terabyte PS4 Pro 500 million limited edition. All good. And yeah, let's see how we open it up here. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, wow. And as you can see, it's nicely packaged in there. And this looks like some sort of a fabric wrap around the unit itself. And let me go ahead and turn this up so you can see it. Oh, so this looks like it's just a shell. Let me remove that. Here's what the back of it looks like really quick. I'll stand this up so you can see, and this is a fabric wrapped around it, and the PlayStation right there in the gold color. Okay, what do we have in here? Let's open this up. Looks like this reveals our translucent blue PlayStation DualShock. So that's what that looks like there. Turn it around. Here is a closer look. And like I said, this, although it's clear and plastic, you get way more grip on this than you do down here. So I just wanted you to see it close up. Okay, not too bad, right? It's actually very cool. All right, and then here looks like the PlayStation camera, which I know I won't use, but I guess that's cool that they went ahead and gave you this camera, and it's the same plastic blue, not translucent, but same as the backside of the controller here. All right, and here is a nice look at that. Just has a USB cord plug-in. And there's the camera. Okay, Let's open this up. This is a quick start guide, probably registration and warranty information that everyone always throws away and never pays attention to and never registers their product. All right, and let me tell you, I like the packaging job. Oh, yeah, it's all about presentation. It's all about presentation. Never underestimate a nice packing job. I think Apple was the first one to do it. Cool. Yeah, here's your power cable. Have a micro USB, HDMI, your headset plugs into the controller, and this is blue and translucent as well. So here's a close-up look of the headphone, the earpiece. As you can see, it's clear, blue as well. Right, not bad. This was nice of Sony to do, you know, not bad. They sold this many. Most companies, they don't care how many they sell. You know, Apple, they've sold 1 billion iPhones and never released a special edition. So this was nice of Sony to do, I think. I only wish they made more of these. It would have been nice if more fans could have gotten them. Okay. What else we got in here? This looks like a... Oh, it looks like this is a stand for the camera, I would imagine. So it'll stand however you have it positioned at your house. Put that in there and then it'll sit there nice and neat. That's nice, even that's blue. So, not bad. Okay, what else we got here? Okay, so we have this translucent blue piece, and I'm guessing that's probably for the stand. And there you go, and this is the translucent blue vertical stand that comes with it as well. Not bad, pretty cool. So it looks like this will snap into the bottom of your system. Then it looks like that probably goes in there and then you're golden. Okay, now let's get into the reason we're all here. Get this out of the way. All right. Let's get into it. So this is a nice fabric here. Oh, okay, my bad. It's like a bag. Don't I feel special? I thought it was just like a wrap, if you will. Okay, and here it is. Wow. Now there is a plastic protective film all over the console, and I have number 42,787 out of 50,000. So here it is here, and wow. All right, let's take the plastic off. Okay. It's one piece. Okay. Back piece. And there it is, the 500 million limited edition PS4 Pro. Now, as you can see it right there, it's extremely glossy. Looks like glass. You can see, wow. You could use it as a mirror and get ready in the morning. Okay, here it is closer up. Sorry for the reflection, but if anything, that lets you see just how glossy this is. And I even like how the rubber feet on the bottom there, where my thumbs are, and in the middle, are the PlayStation buttons. Wow, it's cool. X, triangle, all that stuff. Oh wait, what? Hold on. Hold on, folks. More plastic on the bottom. Hold on. Hold on to your hat, people. Bam! There you go. I mean, it's just like a giant mirror. Dope. I'm not worried about scratching the bottom, especially now that it has these rubber feet under there. But there it is, guys. Gals. And there's the serial number etched in right where my thumb is. And ooh, guessing that's where you put that plastic piece. I'm excited. Okay, here we go, the 500 million limited edition gold wireless headset for PlayStation 4. And yeah, let's check these out really quick. I don't have my box cutter, but let me, all right, all good. This is very simple. All right. Here are the headphones here. It looks like you peel this off on each side to reveal the translucent. Oh, they feel a little wobbly. I'm not a PlayStation headset dude. I just thought they looked cool to match the system, you know? Here's what they look like. All right. It's those, and then looks like your stuff here looks like your USB dongle, your cable here, and also a hardwired cable, I guess, if you ever want to be hardwired and use them on your computer or something else. All right, left in the box, I would imagine your setup guide, warranty information. And that is it. That is all you got, guys. You can see in there. No mas. Nothing too exciting, anticlimactic. Here's the back of the box so you can see. And just like it says here, simple plug and play connection, refined over the ear cushions, sleek, durable design, easy access volume, and the direct headphone jack if you want to use this with PSVR or mobile devices, built-in rechargeable battery, all to the good. Okay, so yeah, I don't know, depends on how I feel. I might keep these, who knows, maybe I'll give them to a buddy of mine who got one of these as well, but he didn't get the headphones. Not really a headphone guy, like playing on my home theater, but they look cool. All right, yeah, let's go plug it in. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so there it is, guys. PlayStation 4 Pro limited edition 500 million. And yeah, that's it. It's all done. Looks cool. Nothing you need to see in the menu on the screen because all of that is the same. It's not like it says congratulations for buying this edition, you know what I mean? But yeah, now I'm gonna transfer back my game saves from my other PS4 Pro and put all my games back on here as well. But I just wanted to show you guys that. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. All right, guys. The controller doesn't light up, in case you're wondering. And yeah, here's the controller. Just so you can see and know. It does not light up. But all right, guys. Lighters.